everybody. This is Lori from Innovative Dental. I hope everybody is staying healthy with this shelter-in-place order. Our dental team has put together some helpful tips on how to maintain your oral hygiene even though we cannot see you in person. I hope you enjoy our video and stay healthy.
Today we'll be going over mouthwash. So there's lots of great products to choose from out there. A product that we like to recommend is a fluoridated mouthwash. A great over-the-counter product is Act Mouthwash. This is the one I have at home. The great thing about a fluoridated mouthwash is that it helps prevent cavities, it strengthens teeth enamel, and it also kills bad breath germs. Another mouthwash that kills bad breath germs is Listerine. And this one is an antiseptic, which means it only kills bacteria, about 99.9% of bacteria. And the difference between an antiseptic and a fluoridated mouthwash is that this one doesn't contain fluoride, and so it won't help prevent cavities. And now, if you don't have any access to mouthwash, you can make your own antiseptic mouthwash using warm salt water and salt. You're gonna take about a half a teaspoon of salt. You're gonna mix it in with the warm water until it's all dissolved, and now you have your own antiseptic mouthwash.
Hi, so today we're going to be talking about how to properly brush with a manual toothbrush. This happens to be a soft toothbrush. I'm going to begin on the upper teeth. When you're positioning the toothbrush, just make sure you're at the gum line and you're doing a soft circular motion. This makes sure that you're getting the bacteria from the teeth all at the gum line. For the lower teeth, it's the same position, so 45-degree angle, soft circular motions. It's just that when you go onto the inner part of your teeth, you're gonna still do the same circular motion, it's just at a vertical angle.
So I'll actually be going over some of the proper flossing techniques with you. Take this off. So I'll be using the regular string floss, and then I'll also show you how to do flossing with the floss picks as well. So what you want to do is just wrap the floss around your fingers a couple times. This is kind of shorter, so I'm just gonna wrap it once. And then you want to slowly slide it between your teeth, and then wrap the floss around your tooth in a C shape, making sure that you're really hugging that tooth. Go underneath the gum a little bit, and then rub up and down a couple times. And then you do it on both sides. Wrap the floss around your tooth, go underneath the gums a little bit, and rub up and down a couple times. You want to make sure you have that rubbing motion against the tooth, just to make sure you really get removing the plaque and the bacteria from between the side of the teeth. And then as far as the floss picks, kind of the same idea. Make sure you're sliding it really slowly, just because you don't want to damage your gums. It's a little harder to show with this one, but for this one, you kind of just want to push against the tooth, go underneath the gums a little bit, slide up and down, same motion, push against the tooth, slide up and down, and go underneath the gums just a little bit. And then you just do that all the way around.
Take a good care of your toothbrush to prevent infection. Most people keep their toothbrush and floss few inches away from the toilet. And whenever we floss the toilet, it generates aerosol spray, which may get into your toothbrush. So keep the toothbrush covered or keep them further away. And whenever you floss the toilet, try to keep the lid closed. And disinfecting your toothbrush with hydrogen peroxide or mouthwash can also keep them safe. Thank you.
During this shelter in place right now, I hope everyone has had some time to pick up on their brushing and flossing habits at home. I just want to remind everyone to switch out your toothbrushes, whether you're using an electric toothbrush or manual toothbrush. Switch it out every 3 to 4 months, and to also stock up on that floss at home. So don't forget to add this on your next grocery list when you do your essential needs run. Thank you.
So something you can do at home is just make sure that you are staying on top of brushing twice a day, even if that means you're staying home. Do it for yourself or do it for the people that you live with. Fonzie loves brushy teeth. The other thing you can do is swap out your snacking. Make sure you're stocking up on nice healthy snacks like carrots.
I know a lot of us are working from home, and while we're working at home, we're drinking a lot of coffees, a lot of teas, and when we drink those beverages, that's what could lead to coffee staining or staining on the tea. So I wanted to give some quick tips that you could incorporate throughout the day that could hopefully help with that. So tip number 1 is drinking a glass of water or swishing your mouth with water after consuming that coffee or tea. Number 2 is drinking it through a straw. So when you have a hot day or warm day, drinking your iced coffee or iced tea, that could also help prevent staining as well. So this also applies for drinking wine on those long work weeks or long work days. Just making sure you have that glass of water could help with that as well.